Congratulations on purchasing the Unity AAC app. Before your AAC learner begins communicating with the app, there are a few things you will need to do to get started. In this video, you will learn about selecting the voice you will use in Unity AAC, copying a vocabulary file to customize, preparing to customize your vocabulary file with personalized information, and learning about online resources available to support you with your Unity AAC app. When you first launch the Unity AAC app, you will be asked to accept the software application license agreement. Slide the button over to the right to agree, then select Continue. Next, you will need to choose a voice to be used with the selected language. When choosing a voice, you can preview what the voices sound like by selecting the speaker icon. To download a voice, you will need to be connected to Wi-Fi and select the download icon. Select a voice, then select Continue. You have an opportunity to review an in-app tutorial to get you started with the Unity AAC app. If connected to Wi-Fi, you can start the tutorial now. If not, you can review it later on the vocabulary list screen. Under Menu, Support, then Tutorial. You will see the language you selected, and when you select the language, it will expand to show the original vocabulary files available in that language. Next, you will need to select the vocabulary file that you want to use. You will need to make a copy of that vocabulary file before you can start editing it. Once you select the vocabulary file, you will be given the option to open it or to customize it. Select Customize. Give the file a name and then select Save. Your copied vocabulary file is now ready. Next, you will want to explore the vocabulary file and find where some of your AAC learners' favorite words are. Most vocabulary files come with lots of pre-programmed words, but there will be places to add in personalized vocabulary. Work with your team on determining what words are needed and where they should be programmed. Use the Making It Personal planner to brainstorm some words you may want to add. Things like their personal information, people in their life, things they enjoy doing or playing with, favorite foods and drinks, places that they go to, medical information, pets or favorite animals, or any other favorite things, places, people, or sayings. Having these words available can help motivate your AAC learner to be engaged in communicating about things that are important in their life or that they enjoy. Visit the Unity AAC app website to find more great resources and to keep your system running smoothly, including the Unity AAC app user guide and quick reference guide under the Learning Center tab. AAC Learning Journey offers live instructor-led courses as well as self-paced e-learning courses to learn more about Unity AAC and how to implement AAC throughout your day. To learn about fundable AAC devices that include Unity AAC, contact your regional PRC-Saltillo AAC consultant.